Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and very good morning to all of you. I hope you're safe and sound. Welcome to Melly's Telegram classes.
Dear students, our lecture today starts with the English alphabet. الفبای انگلیسی. The English alphabet has 26 letters. الفبای انگلیسی دارای 26 حرف می باشه. Repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. The English alphabet letters are written in two ways. حروف الفبای انگلیسی به دو طریق نوشته میشن. The uppercase letters, حروف بزرگ. As you can see them here on the screen, some are here, A to J, and the rest is here, K to Z. The lowercase letters, حروف کوچک, you may have a look at them. Some 10 or 12 are here, while the others are in this slide, up to Z. According to sound, the English alphabet letters are divided into two types. What are those two types? Vowel letters, حروف صدادار. Repeat after me. A, E, I, O, U. And the consonant letters, حروف بصدا. As you can see them all here on the screen, below the vowel letters. شاگردای عزیز باید داشته باشید که یک تمرین در ارتباط به همین حروف الفبای انگلیسی ضمیمه ویدیو شده که او رو باید بعد استعمال شده ویدیو انجام دهید.